Melbourne is in lockdown as well, but I have to go out to get some essentials. So here I am with my shopping bags and mask. All the restaurants are closed, but the pharmacy is still open. Restaurant, takeaway only, I believe. Hello everyone! So today I'm going to go out to get some groceries, and also I want to bring my camera because I haven't been out for a few days now. It's funny that a lot of people wearing their track suits and gym clothes because you're not supposed to be out unless you're doing exercise or going grocery shopping like me. I guess they just made in Australia. Wow, they're all different. We got different picture on each biscuit. Look. So I got most of the items that I wanted, which is really great. I was so happy to see the meat sections are really full. Like most of the time, the meat sections are like mostly empty. But today I was really happy to see. So I got some mince, I got some chicken breast. Go out to get some groceries, but I'm gonna go with my best friend. I haven't used my Adobe for a while, this handy tool. Found out it's really good. Such a quiet Melbourne. Shopping malls are closed, of course. I bought some face mask. Toilet paper? Who needs those? I need them! Yummy. try? I'm going to do an experiment. I'm going to put 2 clothings together. And it's this ramen. And it's the kamjang. I've already opened it. These are the ingredients. I'm going to put an egg and some tofu in it too. I have just put in all the sauce and also my tofu. 煮好了。
For our story of suspense tonight, we invite you to enjoy The Devil in the Summer House by John Dixon Carr.
Oh, my dear good friend.
Oh.
I know how much you loved her. Loved her? She was my heart, my soul, my very life.
What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing to do.
First weekend Victoria eased its lockdown, so you can see there's so many people outside now, like compared to a month ago. It's just such a big change, and it's a really good weather today as well, and you can see actually people on the boat. Oh, here we go. It's just so nice to see Melbourne is finally slowly back to normal. Andrew and I are gonna go to IKEA because we got a few things to buy there, and then we haven't been out since the lockdown, like probably it's been 2 months now.
What a wonderful thing.
It's so good to see people come out and enjoy life. It just makes me happy as well. What we wanted.